Amazon EMR or Elastic MapReduce is a managed cluster platform for petabyte-scale data processing using open source frameworks such as Apache Spark, Apache Hive, and Presto. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about Amazon EMR in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1. You can deploy your workloads to EMR using Amazon EC2, EKS, or on-premises AWS outposts. Number 2. With Amazon EMR, you can run petabyte-scale analysis at less than half of the cost of traditional on-premises solutions and over 1.7 times faster than standard Apache Spark. Number 3. You can launch an EMR cluster in minutes. This means that you don't have to worry about infrastructure provisioning, cluster setup, or configuration. Number 4. Using EMR Managed Scaling policies, you can let your EMR cluster automatically manage the compute resources to meet your usage and performance needs. This improves cluster utilization and helps you save on costs. Number 5. EMR Studio is an IDE that makes it easy for data engineers to develop and debug data science applications written in R, Python, and Scala. Number 6. You can easily configure high availability for multi-master applications such as Apache Spark and Apache Hive with just a single click. Last but not the least, number 7. EMR application reconfiguration allows you to modify applications on the fly without needing to shut down or recreate the cluster. In summary, Amazon EMR is a big data platform on the cloud for data processing, interactive analysis, and machine learning using open source frameworks. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.